How often do you uncover a great project, but it's hard to present your customer with a clear picture of the economics? There are a lot of moving pieces, especially when you throw capital in the equation. That's why we created the EnFlux Project Savings Analysis to help you lay out the economic benefit of your project in an easy to understand one-page format. We used this for years at HVAC Capital, and I heard from contractors time and again how it was the difference in landing a project. To use it, start at Sales Tools and click on the link for the EnFlux Project Savings Analysis. This is the input form, which is pretty straightforward, and you'll see various question marks over which you can hover for an explanation. The analysis includes the primary variables in assessing a project, including debt payments and estimated energy and maintenance savings. Here's the result, all on one page. It's easy to understand. The bar chart's a nice visual, and with all of our proposals you can include your logo. Scan to the bottom of the page and you see positive net savings. That shows the project pays for itself. After the proposal page is created, you can change your initial assumptions directly on the page in the areas marked in red and see the changes in real time without going back and forth. Make your proposal even more compelling by including financing. Better yet, help your customer lock in savings by fixing their price of energy. Remember, a picture's worth 1,000 words. If you take only a few minutes to submit this with all your proposals, you are bound to close more projects. We look forward to working with you to grow your business. Thank you.